I'm wondering if you could talk a little bit about how you've used GTD to incorporate not just the art of your work, but the art of all your work, all your areas of focus.
What comes to mind is a lot of different things. I mean, not that I put myself in these categories, but like, Tom Brady's elite performance came from his quick release, his ability to see play forming a little earlier than the next guy and to release the football. Wayne Gretzky, as we all knew where the puck was going ahead of time. So that was his super skill. What I'm trying to develop as a super skill is an ability to measure the engagement that I have and look for ways to enhance it so that when the right idea comes or the right opportunity occurs, I have a fully formed relationship that I can reach out to, having not exhausted them with, countless mindless, generic outreach. I don't, the worst case scenario is to become spam. But it's not much better to be, smart spam or clever spam or funny spam. It's really important. And you just can't get there unless you're able to create a little bit of separation from your immediate tasks and think, have that mind like water thing that David talks about. And, I feel like more than at any point in my career, I found that in our work together over the last, 4 or 5 months. And it's exceeded my expectations in enabling me to find that separation, to just breathe and say, what is this person on the other side telling me by their response rate, by their, by their language? Am I a nuisance? Are they glad that I'm in their lives? Am I, nothing? Am I something? And how do I enhance the engagement that I think represents elite performance or enables elite performance? But that's not saying that I'm elite yet. I'm still working on it.